Hello my dear friends, I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Let's unbox one mini excavator from Jack's model. So the Jack's E20 1 to 14 scale. Let's see this one. So now I already powered on the radio, and for the excavator rear side cover, you open it, it's secured by magnet, 4-piece. So now the oil tank I already fill up hydraulic oil. It is around P2 minimum liter. Only unscrew this screw and fill up with the nozzle with hydraulic oil. And for the battery, it is a 2S small battery. So connect. Must be red to red, okay? Not to burn it. Red to red. After connect, directly the sun and the LED light will be on. We push in the battery to be vertical in the middle. Then we cover back the cover. Okay, it's secured back. Now we can start operation. Raising the big arm. So mix control starts the pump and moving the arm bucket. Now let's connect in. There are two buckets. So it is metal bucket, but the tools, all the tools, they are 3D printed. So we pushing this one down. You see the hook going down. Then we can hook up. Pushing down, lock it, secured. So for this one, the radio, it is a special programmed for the system. Later in another video, I will show you how this one, all the system working. So now let's doing the digging, rotation, unloading. All mixer start the pump, and the valve only set up different endpoints to control the speed. Okay, also we can do all the fast moving, but it's not easy to control it. Also the valve, you just slowly pushing the stick for a lower speed, so you can operate it with lower speed more accurately. And also got the front to the blade. Let's see. So first SWB forward, rising, turn around, lowering. It's a screw driven for the blade on top, bottom, and rotation to back around, and we will raising the chassis, then we can extend the chassis. So only by raising the chassis, then you can extend. The chassis also extend by screwdriver, and it have safety, so it is not all locked. So it can be, when you push into middle, doing the extend, now it's not moving because it have safety lock. So when the screwdriver, it will be slippery inside, not completely locked. If completely locked, easy damaging the screw. Yeah. So only you first raising the chassis, then you're doing the extend. So from another angle, you can see how wide it is. So after I extend, you will see it is not completely locked. You even can push in. Even after pushing in, you even can pull it out. But it's not suggested to do like this. Yeah, it is not completely locked for safety. Doing the digging, also the arm can rotation left and right. It's hydraulic control. We start the pump. Let's drive around. Rotation to front. Raise your back, the boom. It's very cute and powerful and smooth for driving. So also for the cabin inside, we can put a small driver. Cool. All the way lift up. So please understand that the seals inside the cylinder, it's not absolutely 100% sealed. So the arm will be a little bit dropping. If you see, it's dropping a little bit, but very, very slowly. Yeah, it's normal for this one. It's changing the chassis wideness again. All the way to be widened. For better balance. Now let's see a little bit about all the details. So after you power on, you see directly the arm lights, it is on, and engine sound directly started. So top, this one is all steel welding. The bottom plate, it is CNC alloy, also the white cover. This rear side cover, also CNC alloy. For the arms, they are steel welding parts, metal cylinders. Also for this dozer blade is steel welding. The cylinder is a screwdriver, metal one. For rotation the arm, turning the arm left and right, is also metal cylinder hydraulic control. So here that's the small driver wheel. Front idler wheel have tension. Rubber tracks. Have a look of the bottom. Steel parts, that's the driver motor. Rear side, you can see the wires going in for the chassis control. And on the arm, have one channel, two power connection. It's electric power, yeah. So later can put electric control attachments. Now remove the battery. We can see inside here. So that's the pump, very cute and powerful enough for operating all the arm. You see already lifting its own weight. And that's the pump head, brushless motor. Here that's the valve block. That's the small servos for controlling opening the valve. And at the bottom of the pump and the valve, you see the copper, the yellow color, that's the copper plate for cooling oil. So this one have the cooling system. It's absolutely important for long time running, will not get hot. So now let's see inside. I only remove 4 screws on the panel, remove it. And for the bar, metal one screw here, 1 screw here, remove. And for the side cover, here have 1 screw. And the right side have 2 screws here and 1 bottom, 1 top. So now And also for the decoration, the seat is 2 screws here. Now we can remove this to see the inside structure. Yeah, so be careful not to pulling the wires. Actually, here have one small wires. Let me see it, not to pulling it. It's at here. That's a wire. Actually, it's a long wire. It's okay. Only this power wire need to be careful. So I only half lifting to show you. Pulling this one, that's the power wire here. So when you're lifting, be careful because here have 2 small wires. That's for the speaker. And the left side here, that's the red power supply. It's going to the bottom of this power UBEC board. Then here, this side, that's the main board and the receiver. So all the servo is controlling from the main board. That's all the wires connections. So this one, that's the rotation motor gearbox, and go to the bottom big rotation gear. Now that's the pump. And you can see here all the valve nozzle connections to the valve block. Then it's this cylinder for rotate the arm to left and the right. So if we see from the rear side, this servo, that's 8.4 volt high torque servo. It's a good quality one. And you see the valve block here. So it's a steel one. And only the rear side here, that's the connection cover. It is CNC alloy. The valve block, it is steel, so you don't have to worry about worn out. It's very strong valve block. So steel pump, steel valve block, and the copper cooler at the bottom. This one you can say the material and the designing, it's all very good quality and very smart designing for this cute, so small size, all the functions combining together. Yeah, it's magnificent. It is very hard for any factory to building all the functioning combining together with this small size. Yeah, so if you ask why this small excavator so expensive, imagine the technique need to designing, making, manufacturing, assemble together. That's all high tech. Yeah. So now you see all the inside structure. We'll put back all the side cover and the cabin. It's only like all the screws are here. Yeah, it's not so many. Only when you're pulling out the cabin, be careful not to pulling the wires. So I will assemble it back. Slowly, be careful with the wires, arranging it back. Okay, now all the covers that I have put back, that's the sticker. You can put it by yourself to make it more beautiful. So this one you see inside the main board, the receiver, they are combined together, special design by factory. So this radio also special program. That means the receiver and the radio you cannot change. So it is done by factory, can only use the same main board receiver and the same radio, cannot change it. Very smooth, cute to play with. Also, now for each valve, the end point adjusted not 100% open. If you want more speed, you can also open more the valve for more fast speed after you get familiar with the operation. So let's see for this one. The net weight, let's get a tool to measure it. So now it is only with hydraulic oil and the 2S battery. So net weight, 1.06 kg. Thank you for watching this very cute little excavator. So the quality is good and with all special designing. Tough metal parts, so you can be assured to have fun with this one. See you later. I will make another video show you all the radio settings for the control. See you.